Hello YouTube, we're heading to Marblehead, Ohio today. We're going to eat some of the best fish in Ohio. We're going to take you along with us. We hope you stay along for the ride.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
You can see it's a pretty popular place, Jolly Rogers. Oh, it's a beautiful day to be on the North Coast. Probably can't see it really well, but over there is our local nuclear power plant. We're here right now. We're in Port Clinton, Ohio, because we needed to come to Jolly Rogers. We never make a trip up here without going to Jolly Rogers. Look at that girl sitting there. That's my date for today. At least we was able to park the Jeep in the shade. Be nice, and it'd be cooler anyway when we come out. We have the top off today. Beautiful day here in Ohio. Here's a little MG. My uncle returned from Germany back in, I believe it was the 60s or 70s. He brought one of them with him, had him shipped over here. Nice little car. Well, we got our meal. I got the shrimp and perch, fresh Lake Erie perch, side of mushrooms and some onion rings. Connie got the perch and chips. We both got, I got a Coke and she got a Sprite. Here she comes. What'd you think of the food?
It's good.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, good.
1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.
8? Good. Marblehead Lighthouse, oldest lighthouse in continuous operation on the Great Lakes. Originally known as Sandusky Bay Light Station, built here in 1821. In total area, Lake Erie is the 12th largest freshwater lake in the world and the most shallow of the 5 Great Lakes. It is about 210 miles long, 57 miles wide, with a shoreline of approximately 871 miles, a maximum depth of 210 feet. There she is in all her majesty, the Marblehead Lighthouse. The shores of Lake Erie, north coast of Ohio.
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like a thief on the run. For taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful, with you here next to me. I dream in color, you're black and white. I prefer the country you're set.
Look at the shells formed right into the rock. All my times up here, we've never noticed that before. There is a round one. It's so cool. This building to our right, this explains about the building. It's a U.S. life-saving station replica, and I don't think it's open today. I really hope it is. We'll go see. It's not open, but this here is the launch that if they had to go rescue somebody, they would launch from right here into the lake to go rescue folks. This home is closed today. This is where the keeper of the lighthouse lives and has lived for many years. What you're seeing here is pictures of mayflies that have been colored by children. Mayflies in this area are a nuisance a certain time of year, and they get their name from the month that they come in, become a nuisance. They will plaster themselves all over your wall, all over your car, all over anything that they may come in contact with. The dreaded mayfly. The keeper's house. Open 1 to 4, so they're closed right now. We have been in there before, but it's been years and years. So we decided to stop and get a little footage of the outside for you. Here's a homemade hummingbird feeder. Old stone structure. Well, it's over 200 years old. They had the 200th anniversary. 1822 to 2022. And there is an old picture right there. The keeper's house was built in 1822. It was the home of Benajah Wolcott, first keeper of the Marblehead Lighthouse, originally called the Sandusky Bay Light. His second wife, Rachel Miller Wolcott. Benajah maintained the lighthouse from 1822 until his death 10 years later. After his passing, the U.S. government appointed Rachel as the keeper, making her the first female lighthouse keeper of the Great Lakes. The building is the oldest known residence still standing in Ottawa County. It is a fine example of a hall and parlor house, an early American home design. Stop and get a shot of this falls behind me. You know, in life it's the little things that count. It may not be a majestic lighthouse that piques your interest. It may not be a 45, 50-foot cigar boat that piques your interest. It may be something simple, like a little waterfall in a quaint little town in Monroeville, Ohio, that piques your interest. Thank you for coming along on this video. We hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed this little waterfall behind me in this quaint little town in Monroeville, Ohio. Camping with Endless Weekends loves you. We encourage you to love others. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.